As always, high five. Oh my gosh, do we do an after the 5? I mean, we could, right? We could do an after the 5. Why don't we do an after the 5? Let's do it after the 5. Oh, let me check. I'm going to check the audio recorder because we've been... Okay. I have 35 minutes worth of footage so far. Or at least 35 minutes worth of audio footage. So what I do is I record on my Zoom H6, and the camera right there and the camera right here, if that's still going, it's still going, good. I record the scratch audio on those cameras, and then we sync it up in post. There we go. This was kind of fun. Let's see, where did this come from? So, this is a T-Mobile Sidekick too. I bought this off eBay, I think, for a few dollars a long time ago. The screen is cracked and it doesn't work. Right, because all cell phone operators move to the digital network, which this doesn't support, so it doesn't work anymore. But I mean, it would turn on. Let's see, it is 12:30 at night. I run a Samsung Galaxy Note 8. And so what Angus did, I said, hey dude, let's do a thing where you challenge me or something, where we just have a phone call back and forth. And we talk about me printing this thing really big. And he said, all right, I'll get you something. So he recorded it, he put it on YouTube, and then here's, I had to translate it. I had to make it a script, and then essentially I just read my parts to you. That was pretty cool. Let's see. You know what? I'm gonna take a picture for Angus right here. Here we go. Okay. I'm gonna turn it around. There we go. And I'm gonna say cheese. There we go. There we go. That should be fun for him to wake. Let's see. I don't even know what time it is in Australia. This was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed this. I'm not gonna lie. I do like printing things big, and there's the reason. Well, I mean, look at this. I got the hairy lion. I got the Jolbot, the Bender, the really big. This. I got my Mega Man arm. Pikachu. But my Lego hand, my coffee holder, right? I don't know what it is, but there's something about printing something really super large and having it being larger than life, or like the Lego guys printing them really big. Let's see. Yeah, Angus said it's glorious. That's fantastic. So good, dude. Oops. Autocorrect on these phones suck. Boy, what else can I tell you? Let's see. Yeah, each one took about 40 hours. I want to say about 40 hours. It was between 35 and 40 hours. We'll just say 40 for the heck of it. The Matter Hackers, it was Matter Hackers Build Series PLA for all of it because I happen to have a lot of that filament and it makes sense. The gray stuff, though, didn't print very well. And at 5% infill, the walls at 2 perimeters, they're kind of thin in places. And so that's why I was worried about just like sticking my thumb through it. But I didn't. Angus, when he actually did this, we were talking and I wanted to do this. And he, instead of me sizing up the Model 6X, he actually sized it up in Fusion. I thought that was nice of him. Also, he removed the Maker's Muse logo from it because it would have created a scenario where I had to use extra support. So that was good. Yeah, that was fun. And this is Tom's Orange, the stuff he was making at Protopasta. Yeah. All right. Well, I hope that was fun. I really, I feel sorry for Sean. I love that dude so much, and some of the footage I throw him is just crap. It's just crap. Boy, how we doing? Let's see. I've got. I was talking to Evan and Caitlin today. They're going to be coming up to the area in the near future, and we're going to be I'm going to be doing some videos with them. They're going to be doing some videos with Bill and Brittany over at Punish Props Academy. I'm going to be doing videos with all the three of us are going to hang out, eat barbecue, and have some fun. That's for dang sure. I really want to get into using my Carvey and my laser cutter some more. We have some projects around the house. I'm not going to lie. Doing the two videos that I have so far for the drawer pulls and the cabinet handles has been one of the most utter just joys to do this. I mean, I've always loved the practical side of printing, but with the video schedule I have, in order to continue to make the YouTube ad revenue a valid revenue stream, I can't not make videos. And my design skills aren't anything good. It just takes me a while to do stuff. So for me to take an afternoon designing something, I'm out a day in video production, which just sucks. And I would love to get to the point where 2 a week is manageable. And I think that future me just needs to buck up and learn faster. I don't know what else there is. Well, I'm going to get all this footage off to Sean, and hopefully you'll see it soon. I love you guys. Hey, I'll see you in the next one.